Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about ways to maintain the Tenergy Solis Thermometer by covering some things you shouldn't do with this meat thermometer. The first thing you shouldn't do is put the thermometer unit itself on a grill, or inside an oven, or on any hot surfaces. Unlike the probes, this thermometer can't withstand high temperature heat. We recommend placing it on a cooler location and away from heat sources. The second thing you should not do is submerge the probes while cooking or cleaning. These probes are not waterproof. You can dip in the tip of the probe to check the temperatures of your food, but do not let the entire probe be submerged by any liquids. So if you're cooking soup or boiling water, please do not let the probe fall into them. To clean the probes, you can just wipe it down with a damp cloth or sponge, but please do not put them into a dishwasher. Likewise, since the Solis Thermometer and the probes are not waterproof, do not leave or forget these two outside in the rain. Another thing to avoid is having the probe wrap or holder intact during cooking. This part is just a plastic wrap to organize your cables when it's not in use. It's not heat resistant, so remove it completely before using the probes and keep it far away from any heat sources. The next thing you need to pay attention to is this part of the probe, the silicone handle. Unlike the tip and the cable, which can withstand heat up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit or 380 degrees Celsius, this handle can only withstand temperatures up to 485 degrees Fahrenheit or 251 degrees Celsius, which means it's not fireproof. So don't let this touch or get close to any flames or any heat sources higher than 485 degrees Fahrenheit. It may burn and get charred. The last thing to keep in mind is this thermometer needs to be within 100 feet of your phone to stay connected. Any further than that, the thermometer will be disconnected. It will not be able to notify your phone when the cooking is done. So remember to keep them within 100 feet of each other so that you can receive notification when your food is ready. That's all for this video. Check out this related video to learn how to use the Tenergy Solis Thermometer. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.